Hey, what's up everyone? This is Corey Lee Nicholson. We're here at Daddies Board Shop headquarters here in Portland, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a skateboard. Things you're going to need: your skateboard deck, wheels, truck, your bearings, mounting hardware, and tools. The T-tool is probably your most handy skateboard tool that's ever been made. All components are in there. You got your 3/8 socket for hardware, 1/2 inch and 9/16 for axle and kingpin. And then it also has your Phillips and Allen key built in. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is put the bearings in the wheels. Take your bearings out. And the way you do it is, the best way to do it is take your bearing, put it on your truck, take your skateboard wheel, and kind of take the palms of your hand and push on the sides of it. So get it in there, boom. Switch sides. Put your axle nut back on. 1/2 inch socket, tighten it down. I like to go until it's all the way tight and then give it about a 1/4 turn back until it spins freely. Repeat through all 4 wheels. Okay, next step is putting your trucks to the board. You're going to want to take your mounting hardware, take 4 pieces, and put it through the holes on the skateboard, obviously. From there, you're going to want to take your screwdriver out of your T-tool and tighten down the mounting hardware. You want to get it about flush with the board, but you don't want to crank it all the way down on a brand new setup because you could pressure crack and split the top sheet. I kind of like to alternate, like do the top left and then the bottom right. Helps it line up a little more evenly. So go through and do all of those. That is how you assemble a skateboard. Now go shred. Hey, what's up everybody?